Somfy Elixo 500 or 800 230V RTS Control Board Terminal Explanation. Hello friends, welcome back to Auto Door Surgeon. In today's video, I'm going to explain the Somfy Elixo 500 230V sliding gate control board terminals step by step. If you want to understand wiring clearly and avoid mistakes, watch this video till the end. Power supply terminals. Let's start with the power section. Terminal 1 is earth or ground pin. This is for safety grounding. Already connected from factory, but always double check. Terminal 2 is neutral pin. Connect neutral wire from your 230 volt supply. Terminal 3 is live pin. This is your main phase wire. Always switch OFF power before working here. Motor connection. Terminals 4, 5, 6 are motor terminals. These are motor connections. Normally pre-wired from factory. Do not change unless you know motor direction wiring. Flash light output. Terminals 7 and 8 are flashlight terminals. Used for warning lamp or gate light. The output of this terminals is 230 volt up to 60 watts. Light flashes when gate is moving. AUX output. Terminals 9 and 10 is auxiliary output dry contact terminals. You can connect electric lock or additional lighting. Controlled using dip switch 4. Safety test. Terminal 11 is test output terminal. Used for safety device testing like Photocells. Active during closing for auto test function. Connection of Photocell. This is single pair of Photocell. This is single pair of Photocell circuits where we use to connect control board safety by wires. Connect the power supply to Photocell. Terminal 12 is 24 volt power supply. Terminal 13 is 0 volt common power supply. These provide power to accessories like Photocells. This power supply a Photocell. Let connect the safety. I will connect a safety working during closing. Terminal 16 is Photocell closing terminal. Terminal 15 is common or shared terminal. Now remove this jumper from terminal 16 and connect Photocell wire here. This is the connection of Photocell, active only during closing. Let's explain the other terminals. Terminal 14 is Safety Edge terminal. This is dry contact input. Works during opening and closing. Stops gate if obstacle detected. Terminal 17 is Photocell opening safety terminal. Active during opening. Tip: most installations use closing Photocell for safety. Control inputs. Terminal 18 is Start or Open Command Terminal. Used for full opening or step-by-step control. Terminal 19 is Common Terminal for control inputs. Terminal 20 is Pedestrian or Partial Opening Terminal. Opens gate partially for walking access. Limit switch. Terminals 21, 22, 23 is limit switch terminals. Its work end to stroke. Factory connected. Controls open and close limits of motor. Antenna connection. Terminal 24 is antenna core terminal. Terminal 25 is antenna shield or braid terminal. Improves remote control signal range. So friends, this was the complete explanation of Somfy Elixo slide gate opener control board terminals. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to Auto Door Surgeon.